In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your verification code not being received. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're using an application and it needs to send a verification code over to your phone. For example, something like this. But if you're not getting it for some reason, that could be really annoying and you can just be like locked out of whatever you're trying to log into or verify. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're not on airplane mode. And if you are, go ahead and turn it off. Make sure you're on both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Those both have to be turned on. And then what you could also do is go over to your settings. And then all you can do is go to general, go to software update, make sure you're on the latest version of iOS. If you're not, that might be why you're experiencing this bug. And then from here, you could also scroll down, go to transfer or reset iPhone, go to reset, and then reset your network settings. And then things should basically refresh on your phone. And then whenever you try and ask for the code again, it should work. Also, lastly, just make sure your phone number is properly typed in correctly. And if it's on email, make sure to check that as well.